Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Master Table, Master Table 101. I'm here once again to give you a great video. As you know, tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is the day gonna start for the week, and then people gonna start trading. But before we get started trading, we're gonna talk about a big news. What's gonna happen? Amazon gonna have a split. As you can see, 20 to 1. The price is now $2,000, and the 20 to 1 is mean like you take the actual price, you divide it by 20. And then if, for example, Amazon was as you can see 2,300, and then divide by 20, that's about 100 something dollars. And as you can see, according to the article by Yahoo Finance, is announced the 20 to 1 stock base and a 10 billion stock buyback plan on March 9. So share of e-commerce giant climbed 5.4% the next day. So basically after the news, the market goes up. So today is Sunday on the 5th. Tomorrow is gonna be the stock place. I don't know if it's gonna allow for people to buy tomorrow or the day after, but usually when they have the stock speaker like that, it dropped because of the process and everyone want to buy the cheap and everything. And the thing about trying to if you have a lot of shares, they're trying to convert that for the accurate price. So that's why you most likely is take time for you to trade. And then after when the trade is go back on, is intentionally go back higher. For example, as you can say 5%, in some cases 10% or 20%. By splitting a share into smaller pieces, each pieces will have a lower price. That's what I went through over. So lower prices mean better for investor to buy cheaper price, meaning could draw more interest for retail investor. Yep, that's true. However, it doesn't change the company underlying fundamental. For example, if the company has a growth that's very good, for example, the stock is doing good, that's making it going good, but the stock is buying the stock, please just dramatically gonna draw your stock to a penny stock faster. So pay attention to that. That's said amid broad sell-off on today geopolitical crisis, stock split from quality company might be one of the few things that can cheer up investors in the volatility 2022. I actually agree with that because a lot of volatility, especially with inflation and the war in Ukraine and then gas prices and stuff like that. So be careful of volatility, and also you can use that as a favor because if you hold be against you. But if you're a wrong investor, that's gonna be for you because remember $2,000 for 100, that's a giver. Basically, a lot of people are gonna see that as a cheap price and then for holding for 10 years, 20 years, and they're gonna use it as a retirement fund. So that's another opportunity for you, even though the volatility is gonna be against you today. But by next year, people think everything's gonna go behind it. If it's 122 and it dropped to $100, so basically it's cheap because it was $2,000. Remember, Tesla has also a split on 2020 for the COVID, and then now look at this, go back to 700, almost 800, and it went to 1K after that because the stop price was 300, 3 months, and then go to $1,000 after 3 months. That and more company could follow suit. Bank of America, several SP500 of a higher price, guys. Here's a look that there is. So basically they mentioned that it's not only um it's not only Amazon that's gonna be affected. There's other company gonna be affected by the pandemic. You got Booking Holding that's always affected by the COVID and the stock split. And right now you can see Bank of America also is gonna have a target price and went on and on and on and on. You can read the article. I'm gonna put the link down below. And guys, tomorrow you gotta be careful. Tomorrow is gonna be green day. Definitely, I believe so because of the stock price. A lot of new investors can buy, and also a lot of billionaire millionaire gonna be part of it, like this like Elon Musk, and then also and so forth. I'm just speculating, I'm not saying for sure, but all those big name gonna be buying it definitely for sure, especially if Amazon and everyone using Amazon, I think is a given. And if you are also have enough money, you can put in there, and then slowly you can grow a lot bigger because it is a good opportunity from Amazon. And I'm for them they do that because the market of volatility make a lot of people pessimistic, and right now it's a good opportunity for the market to go back tomorrow because I got news, everything gonna be interesting. As you can see, if the market open right now at 6 it's 6 p.m. Eastern time, the market is open. But usually around that time, you can look at Bitcoin to see the price. Usually the price varies, but I think that because of that good news, I think Bitcoin gonna be green. And then if that keep going on, you can see potentially a green day tomorrow. But be careful also, because this weekend, Friday, they're gonna have the CPI report. So basically, watch out. If you were able to secure profit, a lot of people gonna end up selling. A lot of sellers gonna be, because I'm unsure about the CPI report is gonna be on Friday. As you can tell, let me check out Bitcoin. Boom, Bitcoin is moving 30k from the past few hours, and then you can see it's keep moving up slowly. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna be 31k, because a lot of people are gonna buy. But if you're trying to buy, I advise you to wait until 10 o'clock 11. My advice, wait for 2:11, so everything can be started and we have a nice cool off. And then if you want to buy option, you can have a cheaper price, because a lot of people are gonna try to sell or buy. They don't know what's going on and how the things gonna go down. So basically, I advise you to pay attention to that. And that was my video today. It was my stable much 101. Give me a like, subscribe to my video, and then I will see you in the next one. Ciao.